All right, so it's a cold February morning, and the tree company came yesterday to try to take down the tree, which unfortunately is dying and needs to come down before we can replace the shed. They didn't have all the gear that they needed. They didn't really realize what they were getting into. And so today's the day that that beast comes down. It's sad, but unfortunately it's necessary. Holy cow, holy cow.
Oh my gosh.
Tree is gone. The ice is here. The wood is there. We'll check that out pretty soon, but this precipitation is great for making snow cones. Very crunchy. Great in a cocktail, I would say. Maybe a frozen margarita. Or a snow cone. That's the aftermath. It's a fair bit of wood. All the wood you can split, you can carry. Looks like red oak. I thought it was white oak, but that looks pretty red. I'll have to figure that out.